Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Buffer AI for automated post scheduling and insights, full guide step by step clearly. To install Buffer AI for automated post scheduling and insights, start by visiting the Buffer website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page and click on it. You will be prompted to choose a plan that suits your needs. Select your preferred plan and follow the instructions to create an account. Enter your email address and create a strong password, then click on Sign Up. You may receive a confirmation email. Check. Once confirmed, return to the Buffer website and log into your new account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Next, click on the Add a Profile button to begin connecting your social media accounts. Choose the social media platforms you wish to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to grant Buffer the necessary permissions to access your accounts. Once your accounts are connected, navigate to the Content tab in the dashboard. Here, you will find options to create and schedule your posts. Click on Create Post to start crafting your content. Add your text, images, or links, and tailor the post to suit each platform. Once your content is ready, select the date and time for the post to be published. Alternatively, you can use the Buffer AI feature to generate post ideas and optimize your content. Click on the Buffer AI option and follow the instructions. Once satisfied with your settings, click on the Schedule Post button. To view insights, navigate to the Analytics tab to track engagement metrics. Monitor your post performance and analyze the data provided by Buffer AI. Adjust your content strategy based on the insights you gather. Continue exploring other features, such as Queue and Rebuffer, to enhance your scheduling process. With everything set up, you are now ready to automate and optimize your social media presence using Buffer AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.